how to replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to replay disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. So first thing, just head over to Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. So now just tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner and click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner once you're inside your profile icon. So once you click on this hamburger icon, just scroll down and click on this your activity. So now simply scroll down until you see the option called download your information all the way down. So just tap on this. So once you're inside here, basically just click on this download your information. And since we only want to select our chats, that is messages, which will be inside our messages, that is photos and videos, so just tap on this sum of your information. We don't want all of the information. So once you're inside here, just click on this messages option and just click on next. And you can simply click on download to device, and now you can simply change your Gmail account to where you want to get notified to, and simply click on this create files. And once you do that, your information will be prepared to download, and inside the email they will be sending all of the chat containing your photos and videos on Instagram. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.